Alright, we live now. No major impact news today. Yeah. Everything green around the board. That's a pretty good sign. Dang, look at that. If I want to go long, my target's all the way up here.
I'm gonna look at my car. You put the keys on the table?
Yeah. You left in the car?
What time is it?
It's 9:28. Look at all these orders.
Market open?
Yeah. So I got two scenarios. I'm gonna just stick to both my scenarios. Either short from up here or long from down here. Getting big red, yo.
Damn.
All the sectors falling down right now, yo. What's SPX doing?
This is SPX.
Mm.
Right now, Congress is considering legislation to make purchasing assault weapons illegal. This is important.
I want to hear all that.
I need to put on my knee brace. My knee hurting me. And right now, looking at the market, you waiting for your opening range to develop?
I was just looking at news, see if there's anything that jumps out on me. Stocks slip to start the week as traders look ahead to Nvidia earnings. Do you know when Nvidia has their earnings?
Yeah, I remember I blew up an account trading Nvidia earning. Remember that?
Slightly. Okay, we don't really have any movement, right?
Yeah.
I have a bunch of dojis on Apple, Microsoft, 5-minute doji candles.
Good morning. Start the day strong.
Oh, you got that?
Mm-hmm.
Mike is still in there, right?
Yeah, I think so.
You probably don't look at it. You don't look at Carmine's pre-market plan?
Nah. Do I want to look at it?
Yeah.
Let me see. What are you talking about?
You can just scroll up.
Alright.
Last post.
So this is 8:08 a.m. Alright. So ES SPY for me today. Today's action is all about using the clues in intraday to enter a trade. Reason for this: the market is still rejecting the 6485 level. Do I have that level? 6485. Oh, that's the okay. 85 level from a few sessions ago, and market has a bunch of unfilled OP sitting at 6437, 6432s. Oh, that's what I have. Yeah. As long as market remains under 6485, it's likely to trade 6437.32 this week. I'm looking for ways to short intraday, confirmed by selling to target the 6437, 6432s, 6437s, 6432s. A reclaim above 645 can be bullish sign for a new all-time high breakout above 658. I will then be looking for longs. Longer term dip into this demand created from a Friday rally can be a strong support level for a possible dip by a long term. A dip into the demand created from Friday rally 624 can be a strong support level for a possible dip by on March. Oh, I think I have that 624 to 6. Okay, yeah.
624.
Yeah, 6424
6424
to 640.
That's a demand zone.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's the demand zone we have charted.
Okay.
People comment. Why someone put the Haitian flag on his thing? Are people active in this?
In the pre-market plan, I don't think you could post.
No, I'm talking about the main chat.
The intraday.
Yeah.
The intraday, you could go to the intraday.
Oh, they be in here, yo, talking. He said, "Can you do a Florida meetup this time? I know you were going there a lot early October. Think I'm going to be doing New York first. I think Carmen says he's gonna be doing a New York meetup.
Find out when.
Intraday commentary. Dylan be in here?
Yeah, Dylan's in there.
NQ. Visual, same trend line I was posting about Friday. Oh, wow. His chart looks mad clean, yo. Look at his chart.
I can't stand looking at the white background.
On TradingView, right? I like mine to be black. Oh, my opening range is fully developed for the day.
I got 40 seconds for mine. It's still in between pre-market high, pre-market low.
Grammarly helps me get the best grades possible while depleting the least amount of hours of my week. I'm Lauren Taylor.
Yo, is it me or XLK is looking flat, yo? XLK not doing nothing.
Nothing at all.
The market isn't none of my areas of interest.
What did I say this morning when we were in my room?
I forgot.
I don't expect the market to do anything today.
Oh, yeah.
And these are the times where you have to be careful because you have that push from yesterday. And a lot of people who didn't get in on it, or even yourself, sometimes you feel like you missed it and you want that opportunity again, and then the next day it's just flat, consolidating.
Alright, look at XLK and XLF. XLK is below pre-market low. XLF is above pre-market high. That's clear sign of divergence. The move might not come till later. By that time, I'm gonna be done for the day.
Now, what'd you say about? Because I didn't have those on my XL charts previous day. I mean, pre-market high, pre-market low. What did you say about it
I said
on XLK?
XLK is below pre-market low. XLF is above pre-market high.
Yes, you're right. We're getting some green on Apple.
Alright.
We're getting some green on Netflix too.
We don't trade Netflix, yeah. Netflix.
I'm watching Apple.
XLK is trying to turn around a little bit, above pre-market low. But XLK is just weak, man. XLF is strong. XLY is pretty weak too, just like. On this 1 minute chart now.
Yo, I smell something stink. That's you?
Yeah, pups.
Come on, dog. The question is, are we setting up for another awful September? The months tracked records have been abysmal in the recent years.
It's abysmal.
Terrible, awful, bad.
Last September, that's when I was catching them gap trades, yo. Shorts.
Okay, so Apple just broke pre-market high. We're getting a pullback. Let's see if it could hold it.
Yeah, XLK is super weak, but XLF is mad bullishness.
QQQ is pulling back. I don't think that's a good thing for Apple. Okay, but let's see. I like this Apple trade. I think I'm going to watch it some more. So what do you think? You think Apple could hold its own or needs help from the Q and the XLK sector? What do you think?
I would say, you need help from Q because you know what Scarface Trey and them be saying. He likes to have the QQQ correlation, and not only that, but Vincent said that some of his worst trades came when he was trading something, and then the like something like QQQ was diverging. So I don't have the point of control right now on my chart, but on Bookmap you could see where the point of control is just visually with your eyes, and we're trading at that area right now on SPY. So we're just consolidating, arranging.
Alright, I'm waiting for this 5-minute candle to close. I have 3 minutes on Apple. See if it could hold, where it could break pre-market high.
Oh, actually, I think that
Look at this.
XLK, XLF is selling off now. I think that might be you shorting?
I'm not even doing that. I'm just looking at. Look at this. This is pre-market high. It just broke it, but it didn't hold yet. I have about 2 minutes for this candle. I want to see if the market is.
Yo, XLF is dumping now. Look at
Listen, if the market continues to be weak, my prediction is that this would sell off too.
this.
But we'll wait and see. What's happened with XLF?
All the sectors are pulling back now, and ES hasn't even pulled back yet. This might be set up for a good short trade.
Microsoft and Apple is moving to the upside, and Microsoft is starting to pick up steam. So I wouldn't get ready to short just yet. And we're getting some bottom wicks on SPY, QQQ, and XLK. You see this?
Mm-hmm.
Bottom wicks. And then look at Apple and Microsoft.
Yeah,
So-
XLK has to clear this low for me and hold before I take a short.
So right now I still don't look at Apple. Look at this. Let me see if I can take it to previous day high.
SPY.
Oh my gosh, I missed that. I missed the move. Let me see if I can get this little pullback. 25 seconds.
Thank God I didn't take that short. I would have been smoked.
I'm getting pulled back on right now.
Hold on, man. Let me just stick to my scenarios. I'm over here about to break, do something else instead of sticking to my scenario.
I got out too early, but whatever. It wasn't pushing like I wanted to.
That's good.
There, and here it goes right now. Look.
Whew.
It's gonna go. It's gonna hit my target. Look. Previous day high. Look.
How much contracts was you in with?
100. Oh my God! Look, it's gonna hit it.
But holding's really not your thing.
Look,
man.
look. Profit target right there.
But holding's not really your thing, though, man.
But this is a scalp. I gotta see, and then now it rejected. I would have got out right there.
Take a short from there.
So that was a good analysis. That was a good analysis. So I am proud of that. All right, let me go back to the cues. I mean to the. All right, nothing's going on with it. Look at that. That was a good trade. I like that. Let me see how much I spent on contracts.
Them things will move like 0 days.
So I spent $110. So I made what, $90?
That's a super micro scalp.
Yeah. I have to learn to trust my analysis, yo.
Yeah.
That's okay.
It's because you've been burnt so many times, man.
Yeah, yeah. You know how it goes. But that was a perfect setup. Look, I took it from. Well, actually, I got in around here. But my target was up here.
Mm.
So, if I was looking at the 1 minute, I probably would have gotten earlier. But I was looking at the 5 minute. But anyways, my initial setup was pre market high to previous day high. Get out.
Yeah, the market ain't doing nothing. We just chopping up right now.
That was an awesome. That was an awesome trade.
Yeah.
Level to level. I like it. Let me take a picture of it.
Yeah, Willie's been chopping up. You think K Capital trade that?
The Apple trade?
Yeah.
Possible. That was a good trade. That was a good trade.
Yeah, we're just ranging right now. No, point of. Yeah, I knew this. I knew this in the. This is garbage price action, man.
Look at
Bookmap
your Discord.
and nothing even popping on Bookmap right now. It's a good trade right there. But that's not exactly how you traded it. You think that's what them boys be doing?
That's the perfect trade if you got in at those levels. Which is, if I was looking at the 1 minute, I would have. But so my entry was a little late.
Mm.
You know what I mean? But that was the idea. So you say I'm lying?
No, but that's what I feel like Scarface trade be doing. Cause Scarface trade, he be posting his trade on Instagram, and that's what it be looking like. And I be thinking, did you really get in that right there? And with that small, tight stop loss, I'm not denying he made money, but what he doesn't show is that he doesn't show on Instagram when he takes off the runners, what levels he took runners off at. He just shows here. I know he be taking runners off. I mean, I know he be taking sides off.
Okay, so now Apple is up 51%. Google up 0.58%.
The market looking flat, yo.
Let me take a look at that. But there's no setup on this Google trade. We're still in the 5 minute opening range. We're still in between pre-market high, pre-market low. We got to break this level right here. See, on Google. So I'll be looking for that if that happens anytime soon. All right. Economic calendar heat map. What else is doing good? Apple's starting to pull back. Tesla's red. It's down 0.52%. What else we got? Okay, so the overall market is down. S&P is down. What is this? 0.18%, 16% now. Nasdaq down 0.12%. The Dow 0.24%. Russell 0.36%. The VIX is up. Abysmal. No good. That's the word of the day. What's the word of the day?
Abysmal. The Dow is US 30, right? For them forex traders.
Is that what they trade? I don't know.
That's what I do. Banks be trading. Quillian Banks.
Apple again is getting rejected from previous day high. So that was an excellent TP. What time is it? It's not even 10 o'clock yet. There's no news today. What do you got in the crypto space?
There's no cryptos I'm interested in right now. What the heck? Ethereum's at $4,000. When did Ethereum skyrocket? Oh, when Jerome Powell spoke. We're breaking out the opening range. Oh. Is everything starting to turn around now?
XLF is weak. Come on, you got to get into the game for me to get interested.
Oh, look at that nasty top wick. Oh my.
Look at the tick chart. We're getting red. We're not bullish yet. Look, you see that?
Yeah.
Looking at the tick chart?
Look at the tick chart. That's nasty red, yo.
On the SPY. On the S&P.
XOK hit the 200 EMA and rejected immediately on the 1 minute chart.
Apple still rejecting previous day high. Yeah, we're not bullish yet. Go back to my tick chart. What do you think about my tick chart?
It looks like scribbly scrabbly.
But look, it tells you when it's bullish and when it's bearish. We're not bullish yet. Your boy uses this. You gotta take a peek at it every once in a while. Look.
When I get more screens, now I only got 3 screens right now. The first 30 minutes of the day, pure chop. Chop, 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 chop.
Now you're saying that so far as chop. Is that because of your experience and confluences that you're looking for? Because as a new trader, how would you be able to identify chop unless you have some type of experience?
This is my experience.
All right, so explain what is it that is what is some of the things that are that the market is telling you where you're identifying it as chop?
Well, on the sectors, XLK is heading above pre-market high, while XLF is below the 5-minute opening range.
So there's a divergence.
So there's a divergence, and not only that, but we keep coming back to the point of control.
On a volume profile.
Well, I'm not looking at the volume profile, but visually on Bookmap, I visually could see it's the biggest area of volume for the session, and we just staying there, and the candles are going back and forth. We're in top wicks, bottom wicks. We're not getting no clear breaks and retests or clear upside moves. There's no trend lines developing. We're just in a range. So.
All right. I like it. What is XLF doing?
You see that, right? That garbage.
And look at XLK, complete diversion. That is a big indication of sit on your hands.
Oh, I could trade right now on with my personal capital.
Oh, it cleared?
Yeah, it cleared.
Cleared.
And look, if I want to take a position on TradingView, look, this is all I gotta do. Shift B to go long, Shift S to go short.
You set it up that way?
Yeah, I did. Well, TradingView has it set up that way, but I think I'm gonna take that money out because now I got the funded accounts. So. Look at XLK. What's Apple doing right now?
Still getting rejected from previous day high. This is SPY on a 5-minute chart. Sideways action.
This chop is so bad. It's not even like you could trade from the top of the chop to the bottom of the chop. That's how bad it is. Yo,
This right here, this price action right here is that price action that tear you up, you know, because you'll be looking for a little push and it won't give it to you.
yeah, 10:30. If we're not tinging, I'm done.
If we're not what?
If we're not moving by 10:30, I'm done, yo.
Yeah, I agree. I agree. Uh-oh, what's this?
Spy, so to move a little bit.
Doji. Got him.
Let's see what. Oh, that's so bad. Let's see what people are saying in the Discord on Top Steps Discord. Oh, because I'm funded now, I wonder if my name's gonna be golden. Thank you. Thanks for your contribution, Nicholas Gans. You just advanced.
Look at this.
Come on, do something.
The market ain't doing nothing. Okay, what's this? Is this gonna be a fake out?
Oh, I'm funded, and they didn't even. It says trader. I'm funded, but they didn't give me the golden thing on Discord. But it's okay though, cause I don't need that. Let people think I'm not funded. Why does this guy chart look like this?
Who's?
Look at this. This dude has a high take profit. What's his setup?
Look at that rejection. Look at that rejection. If you got hype off of that, got him. Look.
Terrible. I'm looking at it. Yeah. Right when you said it, I saw the red bubbles on Bookmap.
Apple's still getting rejected. Apple's still getting rejected from previous day high.
Spy. What is this guy trading? Ocean IQ.
Can't break high today.
Like not every NBA basketball player is in a game 24/7. Like they are at practice. You know, you don't have to trade live 24/7. But if you do want to trade live 24/7 to actually feel it in some kind of way. Open up a demo account just so you're in the markets, but you're not really in the market. It's like playing paintball instead of going to war, and you can still feel it, but it's not going to hurt you too much. You know what I'm saying? So because you have to get in the habit of looking at the charts. You know what I'm saying? Like if my stop loss is in an area where it has no chance of going, that's a great trade. If my stop loss is in an area that's so low or so high that where I got in the trade pretty much has so much bullish pressure or bearish pressure to go in my favor, that's a good trade. That's where I always say, like, looking for a trade that's pretty much outside of the fluctuation range is very important. Because if it's outside of that, it could fluctuate.
All right, so this is.
I'm dropping some gems on them in the Carmine chat.
What you saying?
I said consolidation, and then I said fake out as soon as it got rejected. Then I put Apple still getting rejected from previous day high. SPY can't break high a day.
What they saying?
Somebody said SPY weak-ish, and I don't know what this is. Go up. ES looks like a decent short here. When you start posting, technical analysis, then other people start posting technical analysis. You talking strip minutes, then they'll start talking.
Yeah, it's the same thing on Top Step.
Yeah.
This guy's.
Yeah, look at them. They're all posting technical analysis. Considered a short at 72, but didn't really have much conviction to do so. Somebody puts ES as a decent short. What do you think since you've been watching ES?
ES is not a decent short because we're respecting the 200 EMA. We've been supporting the 200 EMA all day on the 1 minute chart.
Y'all really made $90 today. But that's trading. Some days you make a couple thousand. Some days you make some chump change.
Some days you lose.
Some days you lose.
Right now I'm down. What is it? 368 across all 5 accounts. What's 368 times 5? I'm down 1,800 right now. So. You remember I was telling you about that dude who be saying you can make $5,000 a day? I guess I wasn't the only dude that called his nonsense. I looked at the comments and people was cooking him in the comments, yo.
What was this one? What, YouTube?
No, it was on Instagram. He was saying, yo, you can make $5,000 a day. And everybody in the comments was saying they was cooking him. But I don't like that, man. If you're going to be a trading influencer, be real, yo. That's why I like K Capital, Scarface Trade. Actually, let me give K Capital a follow. He deserves a follow.
On Instagram or YouTube? You don't follow him already?
No, I don't follow him. But I like how he posts his live broker logins and stuff like that. I mess with people who are real, yo. Dang, look at his months.
K Capital? Just K Capital?
Yeah.
Wow, that's crazy. I'm sending it to myself.
That's my second account, so.
Oh. Do you monitor Mita on Instagram?
Yeah. 4 trades, 3 trades, 10 trades, 2 trades.
Send that to me.
I just sent it.
Today, I received a hateful email from ESPN after finishing a fantasy football draft. So if you're new here, you might not know that I've got some other priorities more important than fantasy football, and I even told myself I wasn't going to join the league this year. And I caved. But that email served a different purpose. It wasn't until I read it that I realized I got to lock back in. So I'm building out 3 faces of a brand that'll help people find purpose and realize their highest potential. And one of the
Now, the gym this guy goes to, I like this gym, man. I want to go to one of them bodybuilding gyms that got all the machines. Yo, this is the worst. I'm about to be out of this, yo. Today's a no trade. I'm probably gonna lock myself out. We don't even got a nice. We don't even got a nice ascending triangle. Look at this. It's ranging. Yeah, I'm about to lock myself out for the day, yo. You hear me?
Give it 10 more minutes. You did already?
No, I didn't lock myself out yet. What's Carmine saying in the live commentary? That put the live commentary.
Live commentary?
Yeah, I mean the intraday commentary. Yeah, you have the TradingView app. Actually, I gotta use that because I want to use that instead of my Safari. Max, screen it out. Yeah, I gotta download the TradingView app like how you got it. Oh, this dude Dylan talking. Indices saw some. Yo, look at the sectors. XOK, XOY going up. XO left, XOV going down. Here you go there. That here you go. Oh my gosh.
You gonna work for one?
Yeah, I gotta go to work for one.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I'm done, yo.
Hmm?
I'm done. I got tutu. This market is trash right now. Who is that? We just keep supporting this area. What is this? Who is that guy?
Somebody who kicking knowledge.
Yeah, you like listen to them red pill dudes?
Yeah.
You know what red pill is?
What? Explain it in more detail.
It's like a form of toxic masculinity.
It's not toxic masculinity. It's logic.
No, I'm not. Listen. Well, maybe I'm not saying it right. Go on YouTube and search up red pill. Red Pill community, Red Pill guys. We have a trend line right now on a 1 minute. Bullishness. Bullish. Got this trend line. 200 EMA. Yeah, we've been supporting the 200 EMA all day.
Everybody want to drop technical analysis. Chop chop. Somebody put chop chop.
Why am I gonna sit around for this? I'm locking myself out. Lock me out all day. Alright, I can't trade for today. Locked out, personal, 7 hours and 16 minutes. Alright, I'm locked out. I'm shutting off the stream. I didn't take a trade today. Market conditions were garbage.